Good morning, hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, January 29th. We do have some lingering light snow this morning, generally less than half an inch. It's dropping down from Idaho Falls into Pocatello. Again, fairly light, not expecting a lot of accumulation, generally less than half an inch. Should be south of our area and mostly dissipated by 9 a.m. We do have a weak system. We do have some brief high pressure building in today, and then we'll have a weak system late tonight into Thursday. Kind of move a northwest flow and expecting around 1 to 2 inches for the eastern areas, and then less than 1 inch elsewhere. And we will be drier and warmer with Saturday with high pressure returning, and then we have another system on Sunday into Monday. Not a lot of snow with this one either, but it does look fairly windy with some cooler temperatures. Here is our current satellite imagery. You can see that system that was over us yesterday is kind of moved east of our area. We have you can barely see a little bit of clouds with the convergence line that's moving through us. Again, very weak, very light snow expected. Here's our next low in moisture. This is high pressure ridge that will build over us today, and then this will move through, the moisture will move through the northwest flow, and again it will mainly bring mostly, I'll show you in a minute, to the southeast highlands and eastern highlands in general. 1 to 2 inches and less than an inch of snow elsewhere. Should be cool enough to be snow for the most part. Here's our matrix. Here's that just lingering snow that I mentioned for this morning, and then you can see that Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the areas that we're looking to get snow. Generally, again, 1 to 2 inches, 2 for the mountain areas across our eastern areas, and then the lower areas should be less than an inch. And then you can see we have just a little bit of lingering light snow and northwest flow on Friday morning, mainly for the Island Park area. And then here's the impacts that we're expecting on Sunday. Again, looks to be a little bit breezy with some cooler air moving in. I'll show you all those details here in a second. So as far as our high temperature today, near normal. We'll struggle for most areas to get above freezing, with the exception of the eastern Magic Valley and portions of the lower Snake Plain. And here are our wind gusts this afternoon, a little bit breezy. And then our low temperatures for tomorrow morning, most areas will drop below freezing. And then you can see our snow tonight into Thursday. And here's our storm totals. Again, most of the higher stuff near 2 inches, the higher snow amounts near 2 inches will be along the Wyoming border. There will be some areas getting close to 3 inches, but in general, the mountain areas will be 2, and then the valleys will be 1. Then of course everything kind of in our west and northwest areas, not expecting too much, maybe near an inch north of Stanley. And then here's your low and high end amounts, probabilistic. We're kind of in the middle, maybe leaning slightly toward the higher end amount. And then as far as our high temperatures for tomorrow, you can see they warm up just slightly, near normal, if not slightly above normal. And then for our wind gust for tomorrow afternoon, see it gets a slightly breezy with that northwest flow, particularly as that goes up and over the high pressure ridging. See a little bit of gusting near 30. And then our low temperatures Friday morning, with that cool air coming in, most everyone's below freezing. And our high temperatures Friday increase slightly above normal, and then our low temperatures Saturday morning still below freezing for everywhere. And then here's our high temperature for Saturday, 48 degrees above normal. And then it gets gusty Saturday night ahead of that next system, particularly in the central mountains. And you can see our temperatures rise, particularly with that southerly flow ahead of it. And then as far as amounts, I don't have any amounts just yet, but generally we're looking in a couple inches, mainly over the western central mountains and Island Park area and southeast highlands, and then a rain-snow mix, particularly for the southern Snake Plain and the eastern Magic Valley. Here's your wind gusts for Sunday and Sunday night. That system moves through, and your temperatures for these are your high temperatures for Monday, barely getting above freezing. So it does have some cooler temperatures with it, and then you're breezy on Monday early particularly. Just as a recap, we do have some lingering light snow this morning, less than a half an inch. It's moving through Pocatello now and should go south of it and be done mostly by 9 a.m. Weak system tonight into Thursday, moving through northwest flow, 1 to 2 inches. Mainly the 2 inches will be along our eastern areas near the Wyoming border, and then drier and warmer Friday and Saturday with the next big system Sunday to Monday with some breezy conditions and light snow amounts in general. Though some areas will be near moderate. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.